Hey everyone, hello. Hi. So guys, quickly confirm if you are able to hear me. Hello everyone. Acha, you'd be wondering why do I have animation of Optimus Prime? That's because we are going to discuss prime numbers today. Hi Dhanush, hello Aditya, hi Hardika. Good evening everybody. How are you all doing? All good? होली का प्रेप चल रहा? Hello Gaurav, hi Gaurav, two Gauravs back to back. Hi Akansha, good evening. Alright, this is our second lecture in the number system series. Today we'll be focusing purely on prime numbers. We'll be looking at prime numbers ke thode properties. We'll be looking at how to identify if a given number is prime or not, and some other properties of prime numbers. Yeah. Hi Gaurav, I'm doing great. Thank you so much. Chalo, my name is Amit Surana. I am an engineer, an aeronautical engineer, and I have been teaching for over 6 years. It's been a year in Unacademy. Please follow hashtag CAT Live Daily on Instagram. There's some guy who's been posting memes and all. कौन है? किसकी इतनी हिम्मत? Go check that out. Use hashtag CAT Live Daily. You can go take the CAT ka plus subscription by picking up any one of these 3 packages, or the best packages are 12 and 24 month ones, because they'll also cover your other management entrance test ka prep. Do not forget to use Surana Live as the referral code when you log into the app, when you take the subscription, when you go for a test, when you go for combat, anywhere you can use this referral code Surana Live. Yeah, you can also access a lot of free stuff on the app if you use Surana Live. You can also get your iconic subscription by either taking 12 or 24 month package. Use Surana Live there as well. Yeah, these are all the ongoing and upcoming batches. Please, if you want to enroll into them, you have to take the subscription. Take the subscription before the end of this month, because after that the prices are about to hike. Yeah. Chalo, so like I said, this is our agenda for today. We'll be focusing on prime numbers. We'll be looking at composite numbers. Majorly, we'll be looking at some rules of prime numbers, and we'll be looking at how to identify a prime number. Yeah, shall we begin? Good evening, Shreyashi. Hi, Shrishti. Hello, Nalin. Hi, Shubham. Hello, Amisha. I'm doing great, Gaurav. Thank you so much for asking. Hi, Hima. चलो चालू करते हैं प्राइम नंबर्स के साथ, राइट? Yesterday we had looked at a prime number. We said that if the number of factors is exactly equal to 2, if the number of factors of a given number is exactly equal to 2, what does it mean? It should be divisible by only 2 numbers. Only exactly 2 numbers, which would be what? If we are looking at a number n, then its factor should be 1 and it should be n, not or and. Yes, both. Correct. And the number of factors should be equal to 2. Correct. This was the deal. So we'll be looking at some prime numbers. We'll be looking at how to identify some of the prime numbers and so on. Ayushi nahi, aaj nahi hua tha dopaher ka session. Today 3 PM session did not happen. So we'll be doing that on Monday. ठीक है? Monday को I understand होली है, तो देखते फिर Monday का Monday देखेंगे. Yeah. Alright, let's start then. Prime numbers के बारे में और थोड़ा. How do you identify prime numbers? So technically a prime number should be a number that is not divisible by any other number than itself, right? So if you take the list of first 100 numbers or first 120 numbers, वहाँ पे if you remove off all the factors of 2, all the multiples of 2 except for 2, all the multiples of 3 except for 3, all the multiples of 5 except for 5, and all the multiples of 7 except for 7, you would get all the prime numbers. Yes, the remaining numbers will all be prime numbers. 11 bhi, right? So 2 का निकाल लिया, let's say 4, 6, 8, 10, all these marked in red are numbers that are multiples of 2, removed. Then remove all the multiples of 3, this works only till 120, okay? Then you remove all the multiples of 5, all the multiples of 7, and then you will be left with prime numbers. So if you remove multiples of 2, 3, 5 and 7 from first 120 numbers, you will get prime numbers. Correct? Yes. So this is one way in which you can quickly go for, you know, checking out if a number is prime or not, right? Identifying it, है ना? If the number is less than and equal to 120, then what do? Remove. The number should not be a multiple of 2, it should not be a multiple of 3, it should not be a multiple of 5, it should not be a multiple of 7. Yes, if this is the case, then whatever is left is a prime number, है ना? This is not a property, this is just a coincidence. Yes, तो क्या बचता है? We have 2, 3, 5, 7, then we have 11, 13, 14 is divisible by 2, छोड़ दो, 15 is divisible by 3, छोड़ दो, then you have 16, no, 17, yes, 18, no, 19, yes, 22 से divisible है. So technically the deal is, look, technically the deal is number should not be even, it should not be divisible by 3, not divisible by 5. Yes, and not divisible by 7. That's the scene. Yes, hi Keshav. Correct. So this is the list of first few prime numbers. Okay. अब थोड़ा properties में घुसते हैं. Let's get into some properties of prime numbers. You can write any prime number less than if a prime number is greater than 3. For a prime number greater than 3, you can write it in a very common form, which is 6k plus or minus 1, where k is a positive integer. Yes, where k is a positive integer. Yes, matlab if I plug in k equal to 1, if I plug in k equal to 1, what will I get? 6 plus 1 is 7, 6 minus 1 is 5. दोनों prime में है. If I plug in k equal to 2, what will I get? 12. 12 minus 1, 11 prime hai, 13 prime hai, correct? Now note this carefully, guys. Any prime number can be written in this form. ध्यान से सुनो. Any prime number can be written in this form, but not all numbers that are written in this form are prime. Yes, for example, if I take k equal to 4, if I take k equal to 4, then what happens? 6k, 24, minus 1, 23 is prime. है ना? 23 prime है. But 6k, that is 24 plus 1 is 25. This is not prime. Yes. So deal क्या है? If the number is greater than 3, if the prime number is greater than 3, then all prime numbers can be written in the form 6k plus 1 or 6k minus 1. Cool? Yes. So if a number does not satisfy 6k plus or minus 1, ये तो clear है कि वो prime नहीं है. Yeah. For example, if I take a number like 50, मेरे को I know 50 is not prime, but can I write 50 as 6k plus 1 or 6k minus 1? नहीं लिख सकता, right? 6k ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा I can write 49 or 47. Yes, 6 into 8, 48, plus 1 is 49. This is not prime, I know. 6 into 8 minus 1 is 47. This is prime. Yes, but can I write 50 in the form of 6k plus 1 or 6k minus 1? No. So if you cannot write it in the form 6k plus or minus 1, then it is definitely not prime. I hope you understand this. Yes. So one property is any prime number. Any prime number will follow 6k plus 1, 6k minus 1 if it is greater than 3. Okay? Got it? Any confusions with this? So this is one way in which you can identify if a number is not prime. Yes, if it does not follow, it is definitely not prime. Does not follow, not prime. Is there anything else like this? Yes. All prime numbers, listen to this, all prime numbers will follow this. If you square a prime number and subtract it by 1, you will get a number that is divisible by 24. You can take any prime number and check. Let's say a prime number like 11. Let's say the prime number is 11. Yes, so what is 11 square minus 1? 121 minus 1, which is 120. Is 120 divisible by 24? Yes, 5 times. Correct? Thank you so much Ayushi. समझ गए? P square minus 1 will always be divisible by 24. Cool? So two conditions in which you can check if the number is prime or not, but then it will only say if the number is not prime, right? It cannot say if a number is prime. I hope you guys are able to understand this. ठीक है? Any doubts here guys? Anyone? So there are numbers that will satisfy this and are not prime. There are numbers that will satisfy this and are not prime. दोनों cases में ऐसे numbers हैं, तो please remember this. I'll repeat this. All prime numbers follow these two, but all numbers that follow these two are not prime. समझ गए? चलो, beautiful. So these are two ways in which you can identify. Apart from that, let's quickly talk about some numbers, some prime numbers that we know about, right? Some prime numbers that we are aware of. Yes. First, what is the only even prime number? There is only one prime number that is even. What is that? Quickly tell me. What is the only even prime number? Jaldi batao. Quick guys. The only number that is prime, superb. The only even number that is prime is 2. Apart from that, all prime numbers will be non-even, will only be odd, right? Will not be even. क्यों? क्योंकि 2 is the basic foundation of an even number, right? If a number has 2 as a factor, तब तो वो prime नहीं हुआ फिर, correct? Apart from 2, right? Same way, what is the smallest prime number? जल्दी से बताओ. What is the smallest prime number? Can anyone tell me what is the smallest prime number? We just saw a list of prime numbers. That is also 2. Yes. So smallest prime number is 2. Even prime number is also 2. Yes. How about the smallest odd prime number? ये तो सबको पता है. Smallest odd prime number 1 है ना? 1, correct? Smallest odd number prime number is 1. नहीं, 1 नहीं है. 1 is not. 1 is neither prime nor composite. It's not prime. That's all we care about. Composite को जाने दो अभी के लिए. Not prime. So 1 नहीं होगा. It will be what? 3. Yes. What is the largest one-digit prime number? Quick. What is the largest one-digit prime number? Largest one-digit prime number. 9. Largest one-digit number is 9, but is 9 prime? No. Is 8 prime? No. What is the largest one-digit prime number? 7. Beautiful. What is the smallest two-digit prime number? Quick. Smallest two-digit prime number. सबसे छोटा 2-digit prime number क्या होगा? 11. Very nice. Very good. Largest 2-digit prime number? ये बताओ. What will be the largest 2-digit prime number? Quick. So how do you check? How do you check? Go for the largest prime number. Sorry, largest 2-digit number. 2-digit number में सबसे बड़ा number कौन सा? 99. Yes. Correct. 99 is a number that is divisible by 3. So is this prime? Not prime. Then comes 98. 98 is divisible by 2. Even number है. Prime है? नहीं है. So next number will be what? 97. 97 is not divisible by 2, 3, 5 or 7. है ना? यही है ना? लेस देन 120 का क्या सीन है, 2357 से डिविजिबल नहीं है तो फिर प्राइम है, करेक्ट? एग्रीड गाइस? 97 will be your largest 2-digit prime number. Yes everyone? Beautiful. चलो एक बार लाइक कर लो वीडियो को, क्विकली लाइक द वीडियो. नाउ टेल मी द स्मॉलेस्ट 3-digit prime number. जल्दी, स्मॉलेस्ट 3-digit prime number. Quick, what is the smallest 3-digit prime number? 101. Yes, same logic. Smallest 3-digit number is 100. 100 is divisible by 2, not valid. Next is 101. 101 is not divisible by 2, 3, 5 or 7. Yes, so 101 is the smallest 3-digit prime number. ये बताओ अभी largest 3-digit prime number. Quick. This is test of your speed. कितना जल्दी बता सकते हो. Largest 3-digit prime number. 997. Very good. 997. Yes. Largest 3-digit number is 999. 999 is divisible by 3. 998 divisible by 2. 997 2 से divisible नहीं है. 3 से divisible how do you check? Add 18 plus 7 25 नहीं है. 5 से divisible नहीं, last digit 7 है. 7 से divisible no. Ultimately this is your prime number. Cool. But is there another way of finding it out? Like there should be another way of finding it out, no? Is there another way of finding out if a number is prime or not? Like a little more creative, क्योंकि 997 बड़ा नंबर हो गया, right? 2357 तक चेक नहीं कर सकते, 120 तक का ही रूल था वो. Agreed that 2357 rule was only till numbers that are less than equal to 120. बाकी numbers में नहीं काम करेगा ये. तो what do you do then? Yeah, I'll tell you what to do, right? Now quickly tell me smallest 4-digit prime number. Quick. Smallest 4-digit prime number. One 1001. 1001. People who said 1001, are you sure? 1001 is actually divisible by 7. Guys, 1001 is divisible by 7. कितनी बार? Very fancy number. अभी गया था फरवरी में 143. Yes, so 1001 is not the smallest prime number. No. Smallest 4-digit prime number. No. 1003. Can you write 1003 in the form 6k plus or minus 1? Yeah, 1003 is 1003 को आप 6k plus or minus 1 लिख सकते हो क्या? मतलब क्या? Either 1002 should be in the form of 6k or 1004 should be of the form 6k. दोनों नहीं है. Yes. ये लिख सकते हो ना, this you can write it in the form of 6k. No, so 1003 does satisfy this, but 1003 is 1003 should be divisible by 17. 1003 is divisible by 17 59 times. तो 1003 भी नहीं है, it is 1009. Yes, it is what? 1009. 1009 is the smallest 4-digit number that is divisible by, that is a prime. Yes. Then you have largest 4-digit prime number. Largest 4-digit prime number. कतई मुश्किल है, right? To identify directly it's very difficult. So here's the value. It is 9973. यस, इसके पहले के आप कोई भी नंबर्स ले लोगे, इट विल बी डिविजिबल बाय वन और द अदर नंबर। यस, इसके बाद के आप कोई भी नंबर्स ले लोगे, इट विल बी डिविजिबल। करेक्ट, 9973 इज द लार्जेस्ट 4 डिजिट नंबर। तो ये थोड़े ऐसे चीज हैं जो आप याद रख सकते हो। इफ यू कैन रिमेंबर देम, इट्स फास्ट फॉर यू टू डू द कैलकुलेशन। ठीक है, कैलकुलेशन वगैरह में हेल्प करेगा, बट देयर इज नो फुल प्रूफ वे ऑफ फाइंडिंग आउट लार्जेस्ट। अभी मैं अगर मैं पूछूं लार्जेस्ट 5 डिजिट प्राइम नंबर, देयर इज नो फुल प्रूफ वे ऑफ फाइंडिंग इट। ये एक आप ट्रायल एंड एरर ही कर सकते हो। यस, बिकॉज नॉट ऑल नंबर्स दैट फॉलो 6k प्लस और माइनस 1 आर प्राइम। अभी अपन ने देखा था, राइट, 1003 में देखा था अपन ने, 1003 में देखा था, 1003 satisfies 6k plus 1, but it's not prime. Yes. Chalo, now let's quickly talk about composite numbers. We know that composite numbers are numbers that are not prime except for 0 and 1. Yes, all non-prime numbers except for 0 and 1 are composite numbers. Yes, so if the number of factors of a given number is f, and if f is greater than 2, yes, number of factors is greater than 2, then it is a composite number. Take any number 6, number of factors would be what? 4. Yes, there are 4 factors, that means this is greater than 2. Ultimately this becomes composite. Yes, this does not include 0 or 1, excluding 0 and 1. Done? Yeah, that's pretty much it about composite numbers, right? We will be talking more about factors, number of factors in the upcoming sessions, right? Chalo, now let me tell you some short ways of finding out if a number is prime or not. Okay, let's try A43. Yes, does 43 satisfy 6k plus 1? Yes, it does, right? 6 into 7, 42, 42 plus 1, 43. Could be prime. Still we can't confirm it is prime or not. Could be prime, right? If I take 43 square and I subtract it with 1, will this be divisible by 24? Yeah, quickly check. 43 square क्या है? 1849. 1849 minus 1 divided by 24. 1849 minus 1 is 1848. If a number should be divisible by 24, it should be divisible by 3 and it should be divisible by 8. 848 divisible by 8. 1848 clearly divisible by 3. मतलब it is divisible by 3. But that again does not show कि 43 prime है. So there should be something like not a foolproof method, but at least something that you can trust, right? So the fastest way to do it is take the prime number, find its closest perfect square root, right? Closest square root integral from में, और उसके नीचे के values, take the values less than that. If that number divides the prime number, then it is not prime, otherwise it is prime. समझाता हूँ कैसे. For example 43, if I take the square root of 43, closest क्या है? 43 से कम, closest क्या है? 36. Correct? So 36 का square root is 6. If 43 is divisible by 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Yes, 4 को जाने दे सकते हो, चलो ठीक है. 6, 5 प्राइम नंबर, सिर्फ प्राइम नंबर्स लो तो भी चलेगा, बट ठीक है. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. If you check, if it is divisible by any of these, it is not prime. अगर ये नहीं divisible है तो it is prime. Is 43 divisible by 6? No, it isn't. No. Is it divisible by 5? No. By 4? No. By 3? No. By 2? No. By 1 obviously, but 1 को नहीं check कर रहे अपन. Yes. So you can take prime numbers less than that. 6, 5. 6 भी जरूरत नहीं है. 5, 3 and 2. If it is divisible by 5, 3 and 2, then this is prime, not prime. If it is not, then this is prime. तो ये क्या हो गया? Prime. Yes. Try the same thing with option question B. 93 से try करो. 93 का root निकालो. Find out square root of 93. क्लोजेस्ट रूट क्या होगा? 81, दैट इज 9. प्राइम नंबर्स लेस देन 9 कौन से? 7, 5, 3, 2. Is it divisible by 7? No. Divisible by 5? No. 3? No. 2? No. क्या हो गया? ये प्राइम हो गया. Understood? Sorry. It is divisible by 3. कौन था भाई? It is divisible by 3, 31 times. 93 by 3 is 31. Not prime. Yes, that means it is composite. Sorry, श्रेयसी का बात सुन के मैं बौखला गया. Okay, try with 151. How about 151? Is 151 prime or not? जल्दी. Square root of 151 closest क्या रहेगा? Closest 12. तो 12 से छोटे प्राइम नंबर्स क्या है? 11, 7, 5, 3, 2. इवन नहीं है. इज इट इवन? नो इट इज नॉट. इज इट डिविजिबल बाई 3? ऐड करके देखो. 1 + 5 + 1 7. नो. डिविजिबल बाई 5? नहीं, लास्ट डिजिट 1 है. इज इट डिविजिबल बाई 7? डायरेक्टली निकाल के देख लो. 140 हो जाएगा, बाकी 11 नॉट डिविजिबल. इज इट डिविजिबल बाई 11? नो इट इज नॉट. यस, सो इट इज प्राइम. अच्छा, फटाफट से बताओ बाकी के. टेल मी 187 रियल क्विक. 187 जल्दी से बताओ, प्राइम है नहीं है? क्विक क्विक क्विक. Is 187 prime or composite? 187 prime है, composite है? It is composite. Prime. 187 is actually divisible by 11, right? 187 by 11 is 17. Not prime, composite. Yes. 251. 251 प्राइम है, कॉम्पोजिट है. चलो इसके बाद के ये सारे होमवर्क है, ठीक है? ऑल दीज आर होमवर्क. 251 जल्दी से बताओ. इज 251 प्राइम? 251 इज प्राइम. यस. कैसे? व्हाट इज क्लोजेस्ट? 251 का क्लोजेस्ट रूट क्या होगा? 15. 16 स्क्वायर इज 256. 16 स्क्वायर 256. तो क्लोजेस्ट क्या है? 15. 15 के नीचे प्राइम नंबर्स क्या है? 13, 11, 7, 5, 3, 2. यस. इवन है? नहीं है. 3 से डिविजिबल है. 7 + 1 8. नो. 5 से डिविजिबल है? नो. 7 से डिविजिबल होगा. 210 निकाल लो, बाकी कितना बचेगा? 41. नहीं. 11 से है? नहीं. 11 से क्या हो जाएगा? 220 निकल जाएगा. 220 निकल गया मतलब 31 नॉट डिविजिबल. 13 से है? 13 से 260 निकल गया, 9 बचता है. नहीं. सो 251 इज प्राइम. समझ गए? यस. अपार्ट फ्रॉम दीज रूल्स, 3 रूल्स टू आइडेंटिफाई. ध्यान से सुनो. 3 रूल्स टू आइडेंटिफाई इफ अ नंबर इज प्राइम और नॉट. बट 2 फुल प्रूफ नहीं है, बाकी एक फुल प्रूफ है. 1 is what? It should follow 6k plus or minus 1. Number 2, it should follow prime का square minus 1 must be divisible by 24. And third, square root of the prime must not be divisible divisible by prime numbers less than this value. Cool. Out of these three, this is not foolproof, but this will work for non-prime numbers also. Yes, this is not foolproof, but this is. मेहनत लगेगा, but yeah. चलो, now let's move on. ये आपका homework है. Try these questions out and we'll discuss them. ठीक है? चलो, quick. Next question. Just for us to get used to this. Shreyashi says B. Jaldi guys, छोटा question है. This is just a warm-up question. Just a warm-up question. Quick. Gaurav says B. Very good. Very good. Guys, if you haven't hit like already on the video, please go ahead and do that. Okay. Very good, Aditya. What is the average of first 7 prime numbers? What are the first 7 prime numbers? 2, 3, 5, 7. ये जो है ये हमेशा, this is a black sheep. Okay, please be careful of this. Yes, 11, 13 कितने हो गए? 2, 4, 6 and the next is 17. एम्बुलेंस भाई, एम्बुलेंस की तो आदत हो गई अभी. एम्बुलेंस इज लाइक ऋत्विज का गाना फॉर मी. हर किसी पार्टी में चल रहा है, हर कभी भी सुनाई दे रहा है. By 7. So quickly add this up. What is this? 30 plus 10, 40, 51, 58. Correct? Yes, 58 by 7 is what we have to do. We know 56 is divisible. 56 is divisible how many times? 8 times. बाकी क्या बचता है? 2 by 7. 2 by 7 is what? 14.28 का double. So 8.285714 ... which is option B. Yes. चलो, I'll tell you how to remember that. जो अपन ने अभी जो मैंने किया divide by 7 का exact thing, right? I'll tell you how to remember that when we go to divisibility cycles. Monday को देखेंगे अपन वो divisibility rules, है ना? चलो, try this out. Question, read the question carefully and then answer, okay? How many even integers x that are greater than 2 and less than 20 are the sum of two different prime numbers? Monday holiday. देखते शुभम. होली खेल के मैं कलरफुल नहीं आ सकता, आप लोग तो आ सकते हो. सारे देखने की जरूरत नहीं है, ओनली इवन इंटीजर्स. आदित्य श्रेयशी से बी. हाउ अबाउट अदर्स? Gaurav says B, Akshay says B. Very good. What is the best way of doing this question? List down all the even numbers between 2 to 20. Yes, you'll get only 8 numbers. Yes, so you have 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16 and 18. Correct? 4 can be written as 2 plus 2, 1 plus 3, but 1 is not prime. 2 plus 2 both are prime, but they are looking for different prime numbers, so 4 is out. Can 6 be written as sum of two, not many, just two different prime numbers? 6 को लिख सकते हो क्या? 1 and 5 1 प्राइम नहीं है, 2 and 4 4 प्राइम नहीं है, 3 and 3 डिफरेंट नहीं है, सो 6 नहीं होगा. 8 कैन बी रिटन एज 3 plus 5, तो 8 काउंट होगा. 10 कैन बी रिटन एज 3 plus 7 काउंट होगा. हाउ अबाउट 12? हाउ अबाउट 12? 5 plus 7 काउंट होगा. यस. 14, anyone? 14. 7 plus 7 नहीं. बाकी 3 and 11, 14. yes. 16. how about 16? how about 16? 5 and 11, yes. how about 18? 5 and 13. so all these numbers 6 numbers. done? beautiful. simple questions. this is only to get ourselves warmed up कि किस type के questions you can expect, what nature of questions, not type of questions, what nature of questions. yes, so you'll get questions like these where they expect a pattern, right? you find a pattern and then you answer the question. चलो try this question. ध्यान से पढ़ो क्वेश्चन को एंड देन आंसर. ओके, this is a theta question. no answer choices, no negative marks. मौज कर दी बेटे. So first they're saying what? K is a series of all consecutive positive integers. मैं सिर्फ hint दे रहा हूं, ठीक है? Yes, consecutive prime numbers. Consecutive numbers. अब ये बोल रहे हैं कि all the terms of K are prime. Series of prime numbers also. दोनों का इंटरसेक्शन है, इंटरसेक्शन. आदित्य सेज 5, नलिन सेज 5. हाउ अबाउट अदर्स? आदित्य and नलिन are saying 5. anyone else? Akshay also says 5. Gaurav also says 5. Super. Very good. So this is a property. This is a property except 2 and 3. No other consecutive integers का pair, no other pair of consecutive integers will be prime. yes, 2 और 3 के बाद कोई भी consecutive नहीं होगा. 2 3 जाने दो प्राइम. उसके बाद देखो 5 के बाद गैप है 7. yes, 7 के बाद 8 9 10, फिर 11, 11 के बाद 12, फिर 13. consecutive और कुछ भी नहीं है, सिर्फ 2 and 3. yes, so 2 and 3 are only consecutive prime numbers. got it? not consecutive prime numbers. prime numbers that are consecutive. गलत बोल दिया. consecutive prime numbers अलग होता है, prime numbers that are consecutive अलग होता है. ठीक है? 2 and 3 are prime numbers that are consecutive. yes, so what will be the sum? 2 plus 3 is 5. yes, otherwise अगर ये क्वेश्चन ऐसा होता, if this question was like this, that K is a set of consecutive prime numbers, वुड यू बी एबल टू फाइंड द सम? ये तो जाते जाता 2 3 5 7 11 13 17 19, ये तो भाई खत्म ही नहीं होता. दिस विल कीप गोइंग टिल पॉजिटिव इंफिनिटी. यस, cool. Say yes if you've understood this and hit like on this video, guys. If you have understood this, then say yes and hit like on this video. We'll go to the next question. Now read this question carefully, okay? अब इसको ध्यान से पढ़ियो. गौरव नजर लग गई, एक बंदा भाग गया. चलो वापस भी आ गया. वेरी नाइस. Gaurav says 7. Okay. Okay, now Gaurav is not saying anymore. Gaurav is asking 7. चलो करो, ट्राई करो, मैं समझाता हूं. पहले हिंट देता हूं. ओके, हिंट क्या बोल रहे हैं कि इस सीरीज में, इन दिस पर्टिकुलर सीरीज, if n is the first number in a series of n prime numbers. yes, मतलब n क्या है? प्राइम नंबर है, राइट? n is a prime number. if n is 2, if n is equal to 2, तो ये सेट कैसा रहेगा? the first number should be 2, and the number of terms in this should also be 2. number of terms should also be 2. समझ रहे हो? This is what this part means. Yeah, give you another example. If n is 3, then series का first number should be 3. उसके बाद सारे prime numbers. 3 के बाद क्या? 5. उसके बाद 7. Yes. तो यहाँ पे number of terms कितने हैं? 3. First prime number क्या है? 3. Understood? Say yes if you understood this hint part. Now what is the question asking? Which of the following could not be the last value of the series? Last value में 7 है, तो 7 आंसर हो सकता है? नहीं. शुभम, गौरव, you did not understand this. ये नहीं समझ में आया. ये क्या बोल रहे हैं कि इस सेट में, इन दिस पर्टिकुलर सीरीज, if n is the first term, then there should be n prime numbers in this. n prime numbers होने चाहिए, n prime numbers. समझ रहे हो? 1 का तो गुजारिश ही नहीं है क्योंकि 1 प्राइम नहीं है. 2 is our next prime number, n equal to 2. तो n equal to 2 should be the first term, उसके बाद का जो नेक्स्ट प्राइम नंबर है. कूल. तो इसके बाद n इक्वल टू 3 नहीं होगा, क्या होगा? n इक्वल टू 5. इफ n इज 5, देन व्हाट डू यू गेट? 5 से लेके 5 प्राइम नंबर्स, 5 7 11 13 के बाद क्या? 17. यस, कितने टर्म्स है? 3 2 5. सो इज 17 द लास्ट नंबर ऑफ द सेट? यस. तो 17 आंसर हो सकता है? नहीं. व्हाट आफ्टर दिस? इसके बाद क्या? n इक्वल टू 5 के बाद n इक्वल टू 7. यस, मतलब 7 11 13 17, 4 हो गए, 5 6 7. तो 29 भी है, 29 इज द लास्ट ऑफ दिस। कितने नंबर्स हो गए यहाँ पे? 7 नंबर्स हो गए। तो 29 कैन ऑल्सो बी, ओनली थिंग लेफ्ट इज व्हाट? 31, दैट इज आवर आंसर। कुल कैसे? 7 के बाद नेक्स्ट प्राइम नंबर क्या होगा? 11। यस, तो अब 11 से स्टार्ट करना है और 11 प्राइम नंबर्स चाहिए। देखो 11, 13, 17, 19, 23, 29, 31, 33, 37। यस 31 चला गया यहीं पे, ये रहा 31। 31 के बाद 37, उसके बाद 41, ये जाते रहेगा। करेक्ट। सो 31 लास्ट नंबर है? नहीं है। सो लास्ट नंबर कैन नॉट बी 31। यस, सो यू विल बी गेटिंग क्वेश्चंस ऑफ दिस फॉर्मेट। नंबर सिस्टम में कभी भी, नंबर सिस्टम में डायरेक्ट क्वेश्चन बहुत रेयर होते हैं। नंबर सिस्टम में डायरेक्ट क्वेश्चंस आर वेरी रेयर। You will get questions of this format only. Yes, कईयों को ये हजम नहीं हुआ है, निकल गए हैं, नो इश्यूज। जो लोग हैं उनको समझ में आया? या चलो, लेट्स डू वन मोर। ट्राई करो। चलो, superb. Go ahead, try this question. Nalin says 3. 3. Nalin, I don't think you understood the question. They're saying sum of 4 consecutive integers is 210. They're asking which one of these 4 integers is prime. हाँ, consecutive है। कल का यही प्लान है शुभम, कल का वही प्लान है। शुभम, तुम तो बोले लिंक भेजोगे मेरे को, लिंक भेजो। HBO Pro Max प्लस माइनस इनटू लेने की अभी नहीं है भाई। ओके, विकास, वेरी गुड। विकास सेज 53। विकास सेज 53। हाउ अबाउट अदर्स? अनामिका सेज 53। ब्यूटिफुल, वेरी गुड, सुपर। विकास, अनामिका, others? So first things first, they're saying what? 4 consecutive integers. Yes, so where any 4 consecutive integers, say a plus 1, a plus 2, a plus 3, 4 consecutive integers, their sum is 210. So if I add all of this, what will I get? 4a plus 6 is 210, or 4 times a is 210 minus 6, correct? That is what? 4 times a is 204, so a is 51. Yeah, so list down the 4 consecutive numbers: 51, 52, 53, 54. Out of these 4 numbers, we know for a fact के 54, 52 प्राइम नहीं है। 52, 54 even numbers है, प्राइम नहीं है। Sorted. Between 51 and 53 we have to decide. We know 51 is divisible by 3. How many times? 17 times. Correct. So 51 is also out of the picture, gone. Only thing left is what? 53. This is our answer. cool. नहीं, बट आई लिव इन चेन्नई, चेन्नई में नहीं लगी है स्नाइडर कट। अरे लगती तो जैक स्नाइडर के लिए इतना तो कर ही सकते हैं। और मैं आईमैक्स में जाके देखूंगा, मैं ऐसे लोकल 20-30 रुपए टिकट वाले नहीं, मैं आईमैक्स में जाके देखूंगा, वहां पे तो अच्छा रहेगा क्वालिटी है। स्नाइडर कट लगी है क्या? चेन्नई में नहीं लगी है ब्रो, at least not yet. गॉडजिला वर्सेस कॉन्ग लगी है, किसको देखनी है? गॉडजिला वर्सेस कॉन्ग लगी है, साइना लगी है। गलत जगह पे मस्सा दे दिया बेचारी को। वही तो। हाँ, थिएटर पे नहीं, इसमें देखना पड़ेगा। ओके, सो हियर वी हैव अ न्यू कॉन्सेप्ट that's called twin prime numbers. What do you mean by a set of twin prime numbers? Yes, twin prime numbers property देख लो। if the difference between two prime numbers is 2, they are called a twin prime number set, not co-primes. No, Ayush, not co-primes. Oh, अच्छा, you mean book my show पे like a OTT, like a streaming device, book my show को streaming platform करके देखना पड़ेगा? नहीं, उससे अच्छा तो मैं भाई टेलीग्राम लिंक पे ही कर लूँ, जाने दो फिर। Right, Shubham. So this is called a twin prime set. Example देता हूँ, I'll give you an example. 3 and 5. 3 and 5 is a set of twin prime numbers. क्यों? क्योंकि 3 और 5 का क्या है डिफरेंस? 2 है। Yes, 3-5 is a set. 5-7 is a set. ऐसे नंबर्स ढूंढो, ऐसे सेट निकालो। हाउ मेनी सेट? दिस इज सेट 1, दिस इज सेकेंड सेट। ऐसे कितने सेट है? दैट विल satisfy or qualify as a twin prime number set. Quick, from 1 to 100. So Gaurav says 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Shreyashi says 8. Gaurav says 6. Shreyashi says 8. How about others? Anyone else? Anyone else? Gaurav एक एक अभी मत ऐड करो. Ayush also says 6. So the only way to do this is to list down all the prime numbers. Yes, list down all the prime numbers. They're talking only about 1 to 100, तो 101, 103, 107 को तो जाने ही दो. Yes, these are all the prime numbers. We know 3 and 5 एक set, 5 and 7 second set, यहीं पे count कर लेते हैं. 1, 2, 11, 13, 3, 17, 19, 4, 29, 31, 5, 41, 43, 6, 59, 61, 7, 71, 73, 8. Any more? No. 8 sets. 8. Okay? Done. That's apparently the only way in which you can identify it. Yes, क्योंकि बाकी कोई pattern नहीं है. There's no pattern as such. Yes. तो you should be quick, you should be handy to be able to write this list down. अगर ज़रूरत पड़े तो ये लिस्ट लिखने में आपको हिचकिचाना नहीं चाहिए. You should be able to quickly write it down. Okay? Done? याद रख सकते हो तो अच्छा है आयुष, याद रख सकते हो तो ठीक, वरना फटाफट देखो 31 तक तो एनी विच वेज याद रहेंगे ही, राइट. 31 के बाद ऑड नंबर्स ही निकालना है. टेक ओनली द ऑड नंबर्स. 33 नहीं, 35 नहीं, 37 यस, 39 3 से नहीं, 41 यस, 43 यस, 45 5 से नहीं, 47 यस, 49 7 से नहीं, समझ रहे हो. 51 3 से नहीं, 53 यस, 55 5 से नहीं, 57 3 से नहीं, ऐसे समझ रहे हो. यस, चलो, great session guys. I really enjoyed it. If you guys also enjoyed it, go ahead and hit like on this video. Don't forget to do that. And guys, 31st March is the last date where these prices will be applied. Apart from that, after 31st March, these are the prices that will be applied. So if you are not already a subscriber of Plus, please go ahead and take Plus or take Iconic, because these are the new prices, and let's be honest, these are a little too expensive for me also, है ना. मेरे को दिखने में इतना महंगा लग रहा है, right? So go ahead, consider it. If you want to talk about taking the subscription, you can talk to me on Telegram. This Sunday you have your Unacademy Combat Scholarship. Sunday को please go ahead and take the subscription. Sorry, you don't need the subscription. Flow में बोल दिया, sorry. You don't need the subscription for Combat. You can register here for free, but use my code Surana Live when you register it. This is a free test happening on this Sunday, 12 p.m. This is going to be a 1-hour test, a 1-hour quiz. Even if you don't win the scholarship, it's okay. If you win the scholarship, well and good. But if you are not able to win the scholarship, it's okay. You can still practice. You can still compete. You should also look at how others are also preparing for it. Yes, you took Plus subscription with my code. Thank you so much, Ayush. Cheers, buddy. Okay, T20 test series is also going on. 10 questions, 30 minutes, happening every day, Monday to Saturday, 7 p.m. to 7:30 p.m. This will help you practice. This will help you understand the test format. So go ahead and give this also. This is available on Unacademy's learning app. So if you are not already a user of this app, go ahead and download this from your Play Store, App Store, wherever. Register using your mobile number, and it will ask you for a code when you enter. What code will you enter? Surana Life. Yes, chalo. These are the prices for it. Yes, we've already discussed that. We will meet now on Monday. Our next class will be on Monday. ठीक है, Monday करेंगे. Yes, होली मनाएंगे, but होली के साथ साथ ये भी करेंगे. ठीक है, मंडे रहेगा अपना अगला क्लास, ट्यूसडे, वेंसडे बाकी तो रहेंगे. यस, मंडे 2 क्लासेस रहेंगे, 3 p.m. and 8 p.m. Okay, thank you very much guys. Have a great night ahead. I'll meet you on Monday. Until then, have a great day. Happy Holi everyone who's celebrating. Who's not celebrating, happy Holi to you as well. Chalo, bye bye, keep learning, and let's crack it.